Okay, so I've showed you how to create your Google Doc, how to share it, how to organize it into folders. So now we're just going to play around a little bit with Google Documents, see what it has to offer. If you've used a text editing tool or a word processing tool, very similar to all of those. So I have some text here. I'm going to be making a fake quiz. I've actually already organized my document into my Unit 1 folder, so we're good to go there. I actually copied and pasted. Pasted? Is that a word? Anyways, this into here. So I want to get rid of the formatting because it doesn't really apply to what I'm using. So I'm going to use the clear formatting button up here. That's a good thing to know. I do a lot of pasting into my documents. Going to left align it, number it because it's a quiz. And like most word processors, we can bold things, underline, change the font size, the font type, the font color, and the background color. Some of the things that are a little different than most, though, include one, which is the commenting feature. So if I select a word, and say I'm working on this quiz with a couple coworkers, and I'm unsure about a certain wording of a question, or want to make a comment about what's going on. Select a word, and the second option down says comment. If you select it, it's going to highlight the word in a different color, and it's going to bring up a little text box on the side. You can make a comment in here, and what it will do is now place this in the margin. And so it offers collaboration opportunities between people. You don't have to be doing this in person. You don't even have to be doing it at the same time. People can come in, can comment back, and ultimately you can work on resolving the issue and hopefully getting rid of the comment. Now Google Docs also offers a chat feature, and if there were to be more than one person in here right now, you would see a little drop down and it would offer a feature that would bring up an entire chat bar on the right hand side. So you could actually chat in real time and help work and edit on the document. Another feature that's kind of cool to use, and I'm not sure how it's going to work with the Lorem Ipsum, but once again, highlight, right click, is the research feature. And it's actually going to research by going to Google and pulling up a Google search for whatever you've selected. So that's really cool, pretty cool for students as well. Like I said, most of these tools are all familiar. I'm not going to go into that with you. Few other things. Actually, I'll wait to publish the web for another one. But the download as, even if you're using Google Docs and Google Drive, I'm sure there's going to be a need to use Microsoft Word or even a PDF. So you can actually turn these files into a number of different file formats by going to the download as, and you can then select Microsoft Word, a rich text format, or a PDF, which would probably be your two biggest options. So that's pretty nice as well if it comes to either printing or hosting these on your own website. You do have a lot of different options.